guys, it's Brooke the cook, and my little brother Jonathan, and we're gonna make cheesy zucchini fries. My mom says I don't eat a lot of vegetables. I think she's trying to trick me with these zucchini fries. I'll see how good they are. First, you need two medium zucchinis. Make sure you wash them nice and clean. Now we're gonna cut the zucchini. First, cut off the ends. Now cut long ways. You're gonna cut it in half just like this. Now we're gonna cut these pieces in half again. Now cut them one more time in half. Now we have 8 slices. Now we're gonna cut them in half. Now we're gonna heat the oven. 425 degrees. Now we're gonna crack 1 egg. Now we're gonna beat the egg. Now we're gonna pick up the Parmesan cheese. And then we're gonna dump it. Now we're gonna put in the black pepper and the garlic powder. Now we're gonna mix. Line a pan with parchment paper. Now's the fun part. We're gonna take the zucchini and put it in the eggs. Then shake it and put it in the cheese. And then put it on the paper. So easy. And now it's my turn. Roll it, okay. Put it in here. Good job, bud. Ew, guys, look at our hands. Ew, guys, look at our hands. We're all done. And now, you see, we're all, see? We're going to bake it for 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, guys, and they're all done. And look how pretty they are. Not that. It's time to taste. I guess I like vegetables. My mom was right. Bye, guys. Until next time, see you later. Until next time, guys.